So the weld broke on my little bench seat futon thing, and I took it out to repair it, but it gave me an idea. Okay, this is actually insane. This is starting to make me think this new generation ain't so bad at the trades comparatively, eh? It seems like they didn't do a good job at welding any of these little things. This is factory from, I don't remember what van I pulled it off of. It wasn't a Ford van. Judging by the lack of quality, I'm guessing a Chrysler product, but you know, who knows? I don't remember. It was from Pick-a-Pull. I can make a little bracket that interfaces with these and install some of these seats on said bracket. Then I'll have modular seating, and then I'll be able to put like a cooler or something in the middle. I don't know, but I think that'll be cool. Anyway, stay tuned. So I got the dimensions measured out for the seat. I'm going to remake this panel and use nails to get that on a little better, like I did here. You know, just hammer them in and pinch them. But before I do that, I had an idea. So first of all, the reason I'm redoing this is because the speaker location is really shitty and I want to put it more towards the front like that one is. But second reason is this back panel here. It's got a little bit of extra space back here. It's also insulated in the back. And my idea was take this cheapo subwoofer and box that I bought from Outrageous Audio and figure out a way to retrofit it to said panel. Now, originally I was thinking maybe cut this box up, but I decided to pause on that and go ahead and use this pristine Home Depot bucket. Now I know that sounds super freaking ghetto, but it's gonna work. And I don't think I'm gonna use this 12, at least not initially. I'm gonna go ahead and use this old crappy 8-inch subwoofer that I have. Now, this is from a house speaker system, but it is 4 ohms, which, oh, well, that's, 4 ohms. So that means it's rated for the same thing that my amp is. And I put it in there before in the ported box that it came in, and that thing freaking smacks inside of that cab. I don't know why, it doesn't make any sense. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and rig all that up and show you that now. But the cool thing is that all I have to do is take this lid and cut it to whichever size I want. And I'm pretty sure this inner ring is actually 8 inches because this outer ring is exactly 12 inches. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So just buzz the inside of that, buy another lid, buzz the inside of that, see which subwoofer sounds better, and you know, figure that out. The cool thing is the back of the panel is going to sort of be part of the box. The rest of the box is going to be that bucket kind of mounted inside of the panel, so it's going to have quite a bit of airspace to play with, and I'm going to figure out a way to put a port in there as well. So again, audio isn't the biggest priority here. Space and fitting all my tools is, but it would be cool if I can have the best of both worlds, right? That's why I'm installing the rest of the other 2 speakers instead of just having 2 in the front. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Ain't that a thing of beauty that it pre-marks these holes for me? Gotta love Harbor Freight. That's beautiful right there. Because when I built this back, it's a frame built out of 2-inch square tube. So that's gonna be sitting right there. I've already cut my hole in this panel. Probably with that jigsaw. Try to keep it as tight as possible. Probably not going to turn out great, just This is all going to be covered, but it ended up sealing super well. I'm gonna go ahead and throw Coke over there just to be super sure. I might pop it back out and go ahead and make a port for it, but I haven't quite decided yet. This might be plenty of space. It's a super tiny sub box though. I don't know, I'm just looking for a little bit better than what I got and not having to have a giant box in the middle of the cab sort of ruining it all. May already be clear to some of you, but I'll just mention this now. I am not an audio guy. There's lots of YouTube channels out there where you can get really good advice on car audio. This is not the place for that. I would say it's about time for a test run. So hope I don't get copyrighted for this, but here, let me try to demonstrate with all the doors open. This is literally all the doors open in the cab and the thing sounds okay. I don't know how well you can tell on video, but I'd say this is going to work out just fine. Finish making that panel and I have 1 more speaker to install, and I'll have a total of 4 speakers, 3 of which are amplified if you include the 6x9s in the sub. That's 3, and then yeah, 2 of which are just powered by the stereo. I might even take the 6x9s off the amp and put them back on the stereo to see how that sounds, just to kind of play with it, but we'll see. fit. One nice thing about this flip-up awning door is it's completely useless in a parking lot, but it does provide shade on a hot day when you're working inside. Thought I had a full piece of this stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to reuse as much of the old stuff as I can, because this was on sale and it matches the old interior very, very well. Found it. This is looking so much better. I'm not going to bother doing that because it's going to be covered by the seat, but maybe eventually. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of thinking of maybe doing a roof center console, maybe in another video. Who knows? So, found that these style of crimpers are the only ones that are worth a shit, because all the other brands and styles, not brands necessarily, but all the other styles I've used, they really suck. So, this is my favorite style. I'm trying to do this one-handed, but give it a little squeeze, check on it, and it's got a little crimp on there, pretty tight. So I like these ones, they're my favorite. Excuse all the dirt up here, but I think this is looking pretty good considering the floor space is clear. Now that's got a place to go in toolboxes, but I took it all out for now. And I just got the subwoofer back there. As long as I keep stuff to either side, I might make some sort of like a channel to keep that space open, but yeah, works pretty well. And it sounds really good. I don't know a way to show you that you'll be able to hear it and I won't get copyrighted, but you'll have to trust me that it sounds a lot better than I would expect a little 8 inside of a Home Depot bucket to sound. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably cut this video off here. It's starting to get really long, and I think maybe I should just have that seat build portion be like its own fabrication video, because to me this is so far kind of been an automotive video, and I personally just like to separate those out, automotive and fab videos. So this will just be building the interior for the van truck. I did the interior panels and then some of the that back panel, installed the subwoofer, got the seats fixed up, so figured that'll be a pretty good place to stop. As far as building that modular seat portion, that'll be in the next fabrication video I release. I'm actually going to start doing that today, the setup to begin. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found this entertaining, useful, or maybe gave you some sort of ideas on what you want to do with your vehicles. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. This is the kind of stuff that I do. Other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. God bless.